after we have seen many of the gadgets that were sent to me from SwitchBot, like the SwitchBot bot, the Hub Mini, the remote switch, the solar panels for the curtains that I've shown you in the previous video, the thermometer with the hygrometer, and here's another switch like this one. It's time to see their smart humidifier. So this is the package that came to me from them, and we're going to open it and see what's inside it and how it works. So let's open it up. So let's open it up. So, opening it up, the box, we come across this thing. It's the humidifier, SwitchBot, as you can see. Inside it also had for the power, and depending on the power that you have, it has this kind of sockets. So here I'm going to use the EU socket, like that. Easy, very nice. Here we have the filter. This must be the filter from what I understand. And the user manual. So it's the model W0801800, tank capacity of 3.5 liters, mist rate above 200 ml per hour, total power 24 watt, and the dimensions of the device is 100 to 100 to 295 millimeters. FCC warning. So here we have tank lid, mist outlet, this part, tank, humidifier inside. This is the humidifier. So we must place it inside, and we're going to see how. Transducer touch button. Here it has a touch button from which you can change various modes and change the amount of mist that is coming outside of the device. Essential oil tray if you want to smell nice, the mist that is coming outside, indicator light, and here it's for the power that I have already shown you. So this is how we put everything. We put water inside it. Insert DC connector. So as I told you, through the push button you change manually control, you change the mode, so you have low, middle, high and auto mode. And this is through the app that we have already used for the other gadgets, for the other devices from SwitchBot. So I'm going to connect everything, set it up, place some water inside it and start working with it. So I set up everything, I placed inside the humidifier. There is water inside it, as you can see. The maximum can be placed up to here. You can slightly see a max point. So we place water up to there. I'm not going to place that much water. So at the moment the humidity is 45-46%. I'm going to lift it up a little bit. I have connected the humidifier with the device, humidifier F6, as you can see. It has an option to power it up, automation and modes. And here with more, you can see the same things. Automation, how much percentage, delay, schedule, light and sound setting. And here with advanced settings. In order to connect it, you press for about 2 seconds the power button and it's going to be connected with the app. So I'm going to use now Alexa in order to activate the humidifier. So Alexa, activate humidifier. So let's give it a try and see how it's going to be activated. Alexa, activate humidifier.
Okay.
So as you can see, there is a lot of smoke. There is a lot of mist coming out of the humidifier. Now by pressing the button we can change modes. Now I closed it. First mode, second mode, third mode. As you can see, it's a lot of mist coming outside. This is automatic. And the same thing we can do, of course, from here. Turn it off. Turn it on. Automatic. Turn it on. Automatic. This is power 3. 1, 2, you cannot see it, it's here. There is a lot of mist coming outside, and of course we can use Alexa in order to activate and deactivate everything. So Alexa, deactivate humidifier.
Okay.
Done. It's deactivated, as you can see. Now, by placing the oil, it will become the mist more sensitive, more nice in smell. As you can see here, for this little time that we have used the humidifier, it became from 46 to 53 percentage. So it changes, it works. And if I place it, it must become more and more after a little while. So, really nice device, essential device that one for sure is going to need now during the dry days of summer. You can get it from the link below and order it and have it and use it. I hope you like my little video. Press like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is my doctor for igeekphone.com. Bye.